This is why so many guys that I come into contact with, that I coach, that are my students, even just everyday life, dudes I meet out in public, they always think, when we get into that conversation of masculine energy, being a man, what does it take? What's the big question? How do we become the real man? They always think of external sources. And that's what I'm going to go over with you today is what are the downfalls that I know you believe, because I believed them for years until I figured one thing out. Stick with me. Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the real truth about masculine energy that took me fucking years to find out. Years. I thought that being around men, going to the gym, okay, working on my business, being on my purpose, that's what made me a man. Those are masculine traits, okay, but that is not where the actual energy comes from. We cultivate it from within. And I'm going to share with you today how we can do that every day to see real results, not just short-term external bullshit. Stick with me. Before we begin, I want to quickly announce that I have created a free 10-day masculine accelerator meditation workshop. Link is in the description. Go check it out, man. Tell me how you like it. Listen, when you live life, you like my little dude, that's you. That is you. You work out. That makes you stronger, more confident, raises your self-worth, raises your testosterone. Okay? These things are good. These are masculine things. What about this right here? You're on your purpose. You're creating your business. You're doing some shit that's going to profit or aid you in the future. It helps you every day become a better person. This is good stuff, man. But these are external. Okay? And there's a ton more I could get into, but I'm going to keep this short and sweet because really, it gets down to this. Your energy is right here. I go over this in almost every video. Your path through spirituality and meditation is what cultivates the energy that you push out. Okay? We are all pushing out energy into the world. This energy both repels and attracts. So tomorrow I'm going to go over that a little bit more in the law of assumption, the law of attraction, what you're actually putting out into the world. But your masculine energy, when you're trying to push it out, it doesn't work like that. And this is why it doesn't work. I try to explain this to every man that I come into contact with because they always want the external things. That's what they think they need help with. But those are the easiest things. The easiest stuff to do is go to the fucking gym, be disciplined, work on something that makes you a better person every day. That's the easy stuff. When you get in to this right here, the real energy that is being pushed out, that is where the tasks come into play. The real inner work. That's when you have to actually face your inner demons. You face you. That's the path of epic conquest. Trying to explain this to men is very difficult when their head's in the clouds and they have all these wants and needs and they pedestalize things that just are easy to obtain. Do you want muscles? Do you want good health? Those are easily obtainable. You just have to fucking do it. You don't have to face demons. You may be fighting yourself, that internal urges of just, oh, I don't have to do this today. I don't want to. But those are easy to overcome. Facing yourself, past traumas, things that are ingrained in you that are running you that you are unaware of. when you start to let those bubble up, that is how you cultivate true masculine energy from the core. You have to hit the core, or none of this stuff is going to actually work. So I used to be a fitness trainer, and I've trained many guys that were fucking jacked. And you know what? They were also gay and super feminine. That right there, that was a click that went off in my head. I was like, masculine energy it doesn't do that. You can build as much testosterone as you want in the gym to stay healthy, which you should be doing, but that doesn't make you masculine. Look, man, if you want help or guidance trying to build masculine energy and step by step with techniques, go click the link in the description, man. Take that course. It's absolutely free. You can unsubscribe if you like. I will see you in the next one, my friend.